Jack here, and I've got with me my new Lamb 17-key thumb piano, and this video is going to be how to tune your kalimba, and this will work for any kalimba, not just mine, but if you've got a kalimba at home and you want to learn how to tune it, this is going to be how you're going to do it. So you will need a phone or tuner device. I like to use a phone because it's very easy to find an instrument or a guitar type tuner app on your phone. You can use any app, but do make sure that the app has a chromatic functionality. So we're going to go to tuner, and if it asks you, you want to make sure that you're using chromatic mode. We're going to set that down near the kalimba, and then you're going to take either a hammer like this or the included tuning hammer if your kalimba came with one. Mine did, so I'll be using this. Now, to understand how the kalimba is tuned and how it works, you've got your keys right here, right? And the length of the keys determines the frequency or the pitch of the notes. So the longer the key, the lower in pitch it is. The shorter the key, the higher in pitch it is. And you can see that all the keys are pinned down by this crossbar here. So if we want to take the key and make it higher in pitch, we need to move the bar, the key, this way and make it shorter. If we want to make it lower in pitch, we need to move it this way and make it longer. So we're going to play the first note. It's a C. We can see based on our tuner, it's really close. Second note is a D. Very close. And you can see that the actual note names are written on the keys, which is really helpful. The third note is an E, so we'll go ahead and play that one. You can see that it's saying E flat. Now in music, flat means that it's below what it should be, so it's lower in pitch. So that means we need to raise the pitch, which means we need to make this key shorter. So we're going to take our little tool, and we're going to gently tap on the key. You want to make sure you get a decent angle with it and try not to hit the other keys while you do this. And it really doesn't take a whole lot, so we're going to go back and try it again. A little bit better, but it needs some more. You just want to try to hit this surface of the key, not the top, and you obviously don't want to hit any other keys. So we'll try it again. Getting there. All right, you can see we actually went a little bit too high, which I think happens somewhat frequently. So we're going to tap the other direction to lower it in pitch. All right, and you're just about there. So you would want to repeat this step for every note, every key that needs to be tuned. Again, I would recommend leaving the tuner open, playing each one, and making sure it's about as close as you can get it. And if you see that it's off, go ahead and follow those steps that I just showed you to tune it, and you'll be ready to play. Thanks for watching.